I'll be doing 1-minute scalps for stocks on Polkadot option in this video. So Polkadot option is a great binary options trading platform if you don't know already. So I'm going to be using Bitcoin.net to help me make informed decisions in this video here. So I'll be primarily focusing on stocks. I might switch to other assets occasionally, but let's take a look here, see what's happening. So Johnson & Johnson is expected to go down a little bit in the next minute or so we can analyze that first. So their payout is a little bit less. I think it's about 75% or so. So let me just find them right here. Johnson & Johnson, 81% now actually. So it said it'll go down, and I guess Bitcoin.net is guessing that this is going to be a strong resistance level. I think it might be breaking through right now. But let me just go ahead and do that 1 minute, do that sell there. So I think it might be true because it just hit this 70 level on the RSI here. So, and it just bounced right back down. So that is an indicator to me that it might be falling back down, even though it is a buy on the SuperTrend and the Parabolic SAR. So there's many different signals on both sides here. I do think it's slightly more in the favor of going down, just because the momentum seems to be going down, RSI seems to be going down a little bit, and there's of course the resistance level right here. So that is why I think it's going down. That's why I agree with the Bitcoin.net's recommendation here. And the payout here isn't going to be great. It's about 81%. I generally like to see payouts more in the range of 90%. That's where I get the big bucks, you could say. So here, $543 payout, not too bad, not too shabby. Now it might be going down a little bit further actually, because it just hit a crossover here. Might be a decent sell opportunity again. Let's see. Let me try that right there. So this is without Bitcoin's recommendations. It might still say it's going up or down. It says it's still going down with a decent likelihood. So I did put another trade there down just to see that crossover there, and I do think it's trending downwards right here at the moment. I'm not sure if it'll boost back up, but hopefully not. I think it will continue to fall down a little bit, maybe go back up a little bit, then hopefully end up below the line. So how binary options trading works, if you don't know, is you just have to you set a buy or sell, and if you set a sell, for example, if you already set a sell, it has to go below the line for me to profit. And the payout here, as I said, isn't the best. It's 81%, but it is something, which is really good, I would say. And here I do think I have a strong probability of winning. And sure enough, another $549 this time. So a little bit of compounding effect there, because I think the previous one was a little bit less. And let's see right here. Now there might be a crossover happening upwards now, which is a little bit iffy since it's going really close to the 70 line right here. So yeah, you see this happening right here, this huge dip right here. Very, very weird. So I wouldn't do that at the moment. So let me just move on to another one. Maybe you can even search up on Bitcoin. You can search up certain stocks, you can search up really anything. So for example, here you can look at Microsoft, see where Microsoft is headed in the next minute or so. So Microsoft in the next minute, it's expected to go down. Let's see if I agree with it. So Microsoft. So I like to take a look at the 10-second tickers, but it could be going down potentially. There's nothing that really indicates that it will go down. It's currently at a buy. It's trending upwards. It might be headed down very slightly, or maybe a neutral path. So it's not any strong indication that it might go down. So I personally wouldn't really do that. I like to make very informed decisions when I do my trades. So I might go to another one right here. Let's go to Facebook. Check this out. So it also says Facebook is going down. Let's check that out. So Facebook is a high payout, 92%. It might be going downwards further if it breaks down below this level. So it did cross over downwards, and it does seem to be pretty low now. It might go back. It might go down a little bit more. This is a support level right here, so it might actually boost up very soon. I'm not even sure. So as you see here, there's some green. Yeah, it might boost back up. And actually, if it boosts back up, it might be a decent buy for a very short time. Maybe like a 15-second buy, maybe, but a little bit risky. Let's go back down. It looks like. I think I might do a sell. The 1 minute sell, right? After it goes back up a little bit, maybe. Let's do that right there. I should have ideally done it there, but of course I can't predict the future. So now it's going back upwards a little bit, and now it's going back down. So this right now is a very volatile period for Facebook. Bitcoin.net recommends to sell at this moment. Not sure it was completely accurate. Bitcoin.net should only be taken as one reference point. Of course, you have to do your own analysis when doing these things. Here, one of the reasons I did it is because the Parabolic SAR and the SuperTrend both agree that it's going down. As you see right here, it's a sell level, and there's many different sell levels here. So, here it's a little bit iffy. I think it might go above the line for this one right here. So yeah, it's most likely gonna end up above the line, which is fine. Because no one can get 100% win rate, but obviously not ideal. We can go to another stock now. Let's go to Pfizer even. Pfizer, they say it's expected to go up, so let's put that there. Pfizer, the payout here is very low, so I would need to be very sure it's going to win for me to do this one right here. And it's just not here for me. I might take a look at some other assets here. Let's say Apple. And Apple might be heading down actually, with the crossover downwards. The momentum is red, well above the 70 line here. Yeah, I don't see why it wouldn't go down actually. So maybe unless it breaks out much further, but the chances are it'll just go down. So let's see here, and yeah, it seems to be going downwards a little bit. Okay, now it's going back upwards. Now it's going downwards. Okay, let's see how this closes out. Okay. Perfect. It's going downwards a good amount. It's a crossover downwards here. It's a group sign. So it went below the 70 RSI becomes oversold. So or rather overbought. So it has to go downwards a little bit, typically speaking. So here, great profit. So great way to end the video. Made some good profits in this video. And of course, I used Bitcoin.net for some of these trades. It has a pretty decent proven accuracy rate of around 61% at the moment, which isn't, you wouldn't think it's very high, but that's actually the accuracy of many professional scalpers. So you can use Bitcoin.net. You can filter by certain stocks. And you can really filter by any kind of assets. And I prefer, a lot of times I just do high confidence. So you could do that as well. And just 1 minute trades, 5 minute trades, 15-minute trades. You can do all sorts of trades, as you see right here. So this is a 15-minute trade, 5 minute and 1 minute. And if you want to get 50% off, or 50% bonus, on Pocket Auction, all you have to do is just click this link right here. There's 41 offers left, for this promotion. So yeah, a 50% bonus on top of your deposit. Really great way to make some, basically make a little bit of extra money. So if you deposit $100, you'll get $150 into your account, which is, it's free money basically. So go to beco.net and feel free to use our tool right here and claim this 50% off your first deposit. Happy trading.